One of my favorite lower body warm-up drills or hinge prep drills is just a Hingey hero squat. It really allows us to lengthen the posterior chain, relax the glutes, relax the hips, and get the activation from that new hip mobility in the right places. Here's how to set it up. Let's put your knees about hip width apart. Everyone's gonna be a little bit different. I want your feet just right behind your knees. You can play around with the angle there as well. Make sure you're very grounded in your knees. Find a stacked position. You want your ribs aligned over your hips. You might need to sink back and relax your abs to find that. Some oblique tension is optimal here, okay? Once you find that stacked position, we're gonna work on hinging by shifting the hips back. But it's not shifting the hips back like a normal hero squat where we're sitting down. That's not gonna get us that lengthening that we're talking about through the posterior chain. We wanna shift the hips back, pelvis goes back, torso falls down in front. And the great part about this drill is it allows you to load the glutes and really relax the pelvic floor to get length in the posterior chain while also warming everything up. You really feel as though if you're in that wrong position, I'm gonna fall forward, right? We wanna be just on the edge of falling forward, learning how to load the hips, push the knees into the ground, and then come back up. You should feel the glutes working at the transition as you drive your knees into the ground. That will also be a great cue for you to think about while you're deadlifting or hinging of any kind.